Hello guys, we are discussing stoichiometric analysis and I am Vaishali Kikan. So let's start our discussion with the first question. It states find the percentage by mass of each element in C6H5NO2. Now we have to find out first the molecular mass of C6H5NO2. So the molecular mass would be 123.12. I hope you remember how to calculate it. We know the mass of the CHNO. Now we can multiply the mass of carbon with 6, mass of hydrogen with 5, mass of nitrogen we can add directly, and the mass of oxygen with 2, and we can add all of them and we will be getting 123.12. This is how we can find out the molecular mass. Now let's find out the percentage of carbon. So what is the amount or the mass of carbon? It is the 6 times the mass of carbon, that is 6 into 12.01, which is 72.06. What is the overall mass? It is 123.12, and we have to find out the percentage, so multiply it with 100, we will be getting 58.53%. Similarly, for hydrogen we have 5 atoms of hydrogen in this compound, so 5 into mass of hydrogen, which is 1.01, upon the total mass of the molecule, which is 123.12, into 100, which is 4.10%. Now similarly we can find out the percentage of nitrogen. We know the mass of the nitrogen is 14.01, which is divided by 123.12, multiplied with 100, and similarly I can find out 11.38%. Now the percentage of oxygen. The percentage of oxygen, for that we need to find out what is the mass of oxygen in this molecule. So we have 2 atoms of oxygen, so 2 into the mass of oxygen, which is 16, upon the overall molecular mass, which is 123.12 into 100, it comes out to be 25.99. Now when you add all of them, you are going to get 100%. Now coming to the next question, it states calculate the mass of oxygen in 2.2 gram of CO2. Now we know the mass of CO2, we need to find out the mass of oxygen in this 2.2 gram of CO2. We know the molecular mass of CO2, we can find it out with carbon mass and the oxygen mass, it comes out to be 44.01. So what is the fraction of oxygen? What is the amount of oxygen that we have in CO2? It is the 2 molecules of oxygen, which is 2 into 16 upon the overall molecular mass, which is 44.01. It is 32 upon 44.01. Now what would be the amount of oxygen? The amount of oxygen would be 32 upon 44.01 multiplied with 2.2 gram. So when you find out you will be getting 1.6 gram. Right, so this is how you can find out the mass. Coming to the next question, it states what mass of HNO3 contains 2 gram of oxygen. We have 2 methods, we will be talking about both of them. Molecular mass of HNO3, we can find out it will be coming out to be 63.02. Right, now coming to the fraction of oxygen. The fraction of oxygen, we have 3 atoms of oxygen, so 3 into 16 upon the total molecular mass, which is 63.02, which is 48 upon 63.02. Now mass of HNO3 in 2 gram of oxygen, how we can calculate it? So we can multiply 63.02 upon 48 with the 2 gram of oxygen. So now the fraction of oxygen is 48 upon 63.02. So if I have 48 gram of oxygen, the overall mass of HNO3 will be 63.02. If I have 2 gram of oxygen, so how I will be calculating it? We are multiplying it with 63.02, dividing by 48, and this is how we are going to get the 2.63 gram of HNO3. Right, now we have an alternative method as well. First of all, we need to find out the percentage of oxygen. For that we will be using the fraction of oxygen. What was the fraction of oxygen? 48 upon 63.02. For percentage we will be multiplying it with 100. So when you find it out, it will be coming out to be 76.2%. So 76.2% is 2 gram in mass, because oxygen is 2 gram in mass. So now 76.2 is 2 gram in mass. So now how I can find out 100%? So I can take 76.2 here in the denominator and I can multiply it with 100. So 1% will be containing 2 upon 76.2 gram of mass. right? So 100% will be containing 2 upon 76.2 into 100 gram of mass, which is coming out to be 2.63 grams. So I hope you understood all of the 3 questions and the 2 methods for solving this question. Thank you so much.